Everybody fucking jump!
Alright guys, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this one underway. Get some box action. Let it focus. So you guys can see it if the light will get out the way. This is the Blazer Mid 77 Army Navy White Summit and White again. I don't usually buy this type of shoe, but it's such a good price, and I've been getting a lot more different shoes, skateboard shoes. So I said I might as well get this one. They're selling, like I said, dirt cheap with StockX verification out of the box. So I had to pick up some. I bought maybe like 10 or 15 pairs. I'm going to list some in case you guys might want a few. So it's a classic type shoe. If you wear Chuck Taylor, like I said, StockX verified. Let me hide my little QR code in case you guys try to be jacking, bootlegging some QR codes. Oh, this is another recycled material shoe coming from Nike. To zero waste movement. Like I said, I bought this shoe, like I said, just because I like Chuck Taylors. It's a little linty on the side, but nothing major. Still a good shoe. It's a very good shoe. These aren't for everybody. A lot of people tell me they don't like this style. But those who do wear Nike Blazers, they said it's no problem. They do not mind the this version of the Nike Blazer, the Zero movement. It's actually rather popular. Sold a couple pairs on StockX myself. I'm sending all my shoes, as many shoes out to be StockX verified before I sell them, so you guys can know that you're buying with confidence. At least you're able to scan a QR code. A lot of people have shoes you can't scan anything or do anything with. I always try to have all of my shoes, at least eBay or StockX verified. Plus, we verify them here at the Ozone, so you're getting double guarantee that they're okay. And any of the shoes I sell, I usually do a video like this so you could see before you purchase them. Like I said, these Blazers are okay. Get a lot of these for skateboarders, so forth and so on. I can't keep them in stock. I know other people are going to start wearing them too. Like I said, in my opinion, not a bad shoe. I'm going to give you guys a look at what the shoe's going to look like when it's on your foot. Without the tag, with the tag. All right, you guys know what to do. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what shoes you want to see next on the channel. Let me know what shoes you guys are buying. Remember to stay safe out there. And everybody have a nice day.
Everybody fucking jump!